morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices rose as investors flocked to the safe haven asset ahead of the release of the Federal Reserve's latest meeting minutes and delayed US employment data due today. US gold futures for December delivery gained 0.4%. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq advanced following a sharp sell-off earlier in the week, with tech stocks leading the way ahead of Nvidia's earnings that could prove to be a make-or-break moment for the AI trade. Investors pulled roughly $523 million from BlackRock's flagship iShares Bitcoin Trust, marking the fund's largest single-day withdrawal since its launch. Bitcoin, a bellwether for crypto markets, fell below $90,000 this week, its lowest level in 7 months.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.